How are you today, class? Oh, I'm so glad that all of you are fine today. Okay, please stand for our prayer. Who wants to lead the prayer? Okay, Raster, come here in front and lead the prayer. Okay, amen. Now remain standing for our energizer. Our energizer is a little song. Did you energize? Very good. Now, before you take your seat, kindly pick some pieces of paper under your chair, and if none, you may take your seat. And for your attendance, Kami and Bian, come here in front and check for our attendance for today. I'm so glad that all of you are present for today. Kindly bring out your assignment, and in a count of 5, your assignment must be here in front. Before we proceed, what is our classroom agreement before we proceed to our lesson? Okay, very good. First, be respectful. The second one, be responsible. And the last one is, yes, be honest. Now, we have a mental translations which we exercise our mind in mathematics. All you have to do is to translate phrases and two algebraic expressions. Are you ready? Okay, very good. Now welcome to our math class. For activity 1 entitled Translate Me. Okay, let's get started. For that, translate the phrases into algebraic expressions. And this is for number 1, 5 more than x. Yes, exactly. It's x plus 5. Very good, Vincent. Now for number 2, 8 added to c. Who wants to answer? Okay, Elcha. Yes, exactly. Z plus 8. For the another one, 7 subtracted from k. Now, Richie. Okay, very good. K minus 7. For this, 20 decreased by p. Okay, who wants to answer? Okay, very good. 20 minus p. Thrice r. Okay, it's 3r. Okay, very good. Now let us all stand and give yourselves a Darna clap. Okay, do you know what Darna clap is? Okay, I will teach you. Just like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Ding! Ding! Ang bato. Darna. Okay. Before we proceed to our lesson for today, who can remember our past lesson? Okay, Raster. Very good. It's the electric meter. Okay, what is electric meter? Yes, exactly. Now, how many dials in electric meter? Very good. There are 5 dials. Now, how do we read the electric meter? Yes, exactly. From right to left. Okay. I think all of you understood our past lesson. So now we will have an activity entitled the news, and I will divide the class into 3 groups for this activity. And this is the task of each group. Directions. For group 1, present the live news about the current issue, drought from ongoing El Nino phenomenon. And this is the news of the group 1. And for group 2, ask some questions regarding to the news presentation of group 1. And for group 3, answer the questions from the group 2. Understood? Okay, you have 5 minutes to prepare your task. Already done? Okay, very good. Okay, let's check your work and present it in front. Okay, very good. Give 10 claps for each group. Based on our activity, who can guess what is our topic for today? Okay, Kami. Okay, very good. It's all about water. Okay, but let's see if all about water. Our topic for today is all about demonstrate understanding on water meter reading. And this is the objectives of our lesson. Okay, the objective of our lesson is at the end of the lesson, the students will be able to, okay, group 1 kindly read, okay, group 2 and group 3. Now, before we continue, I have some questions. First, how did your mother pay your water bill? Okay, very good. And the second question, how did they know the amount to be paid? Okay. Okay, in Tagalog, paano nila nalalaman kung magkano ang binabayad sa water bill ninyo, no? For the third question, do you know what is water bill or water meter? Okay? Oh, very good. Yung nakalagay sa labas ng bahay nyo. Di ba? Okay. Now, this is the water meters looks like. This is the water meter looks like. We have cubic feet, kiloliter, or cubic meter reading, and cubic meter, and this is the leak detector, the indicator needles or pointer. So what is cubic feet? Cubic feet refers to the volume of water that has passed through meter. Okay. So ibig sabihin, yun siya, no? And after that, what is cubic meter? Is the unit used in water meter. Okay? Now, for the third one, what is kiloliter or meter reading? The kiloliter or cubic meter reading indicates the total volume of water that has been consumed. Kung ilan yung na-consume yung water, siya yung nagsusukat. Ganun. For the fourth one, the indicator needles or pointers are physical components that visually indicate the water usage or flow rate. Okay. And the last one, ibig sabihin, siya yung nag-i-indicate, no, yung kung ilan yung usage ng tubig ninyo, yung mga nagamit nyong tubig sa isang buwan. So, ngayon, and the last one, leak detector. It's a feature designed to help identify potential leaks in the water system. So, in Tagalog, meaning, siya yung nag-detect kung may butas ba yung mga hose nyo sa bahay or sa kung saan man. Siya yung nag-detect kung may butas ba or may mga nagnakaw na sa mga hose nyo, di ba? Ganun. So, ngayon, after that, I have here what is this? Okay, the actual water meter. So, now, let's start to read how to know how to read the water consumption in a month. So, in reading of water meter or water usage, it is the same to electric meter. We start from right to left. But on the other hand, the water meter has 4 dials only. The water meter, we need to start from letter D to A. For example, we have here the letter A. They have the pointers point on 8, and for the letter B, the pointer point on 1, and for C, point on 3, and after that, the letter D point on number 6. On reading this, we start from what I said. Very good. From right to left. So we need to start from letter D. So meaning the first number is 6 and the second one 3 because it's right to left. So 3. And after that for the letter B is 1 and the last number is number 8. And now the answer is 6,318 cubic meter. So this symbol is indicates of the cubic meter and using for water meter. Now, who wants to try? Okay, Joshua. Okay, what is your answer? Yes, very good. The water meter reading is 517 cubic meter. Now for next one, who wants to try? Okay. Jeffen. Okay. The answer is, yes, very good. The answer is 4,866 cubic meter. Next one. Okay. That's the last. Do you have any question for our discussion? Okay, very good. How do we get how to solve the present reading? So what we need to do is to subtract the previous reading for and today's month reading, so we can get the water reading for this month. Okay, meaning if you have water reading for 1,000 last month and you have water reading 6,000 for this month, so you need to subtract that, so you will get 1,000 and you will pay that for the office of anywhere. Okay, any question, clarification? Okay, let's go to activity 3. Now for activity 3 entitled read me. Now for your rubrics for this one, content 5 points, collaboration 5 points, presentation 5 points, and total. So I will divide the class into 2 groups. Now this is the directions for group 1. Give the reading of the following water meter reading. Okay, this is for the group 1. So I will give you an envelope later. For the group 2, draw the pointers on the dials. Water meter reading 8,274 cubic meters. So what you need to do is to draw the point on each circle or each circle. So you need to point. Okay, this is your envelope I will give you. Okay, already done? Okay, very good. Group 1 got a 20 points and group 2 got a 40 points. Okay, now do you have any question? Okay, so I have a question. So what is the importance of water meter reading? Okay, very good. The end, because it allows us to know what is our consumption for this month. Okay, do you have any question? Okay, none. So this is your quiz for now. I will give you a handout, so you can you have 5 minutes to answer the quiz for today. Oh, already done? Okay, pass it here in front and okay, goodbye. So goodbye class. Okay, that's all.